Bright, golden, and radiant sunflowers do more than brighten our fields. Every year, millions of tons of their seeds are transformed into one of the most valuable oils on Earth's sunflower oil. From food to skincare, this is the incredible journey from seed to serum. Globally, over 50 million tons of sunflower seeds are harvested annually, with Ukraine and Russia leading the way. Sunflowers are typically planted in spring, thriving in well-drained soil and full sunlight. They grow rapidly, reaching heights of 5 to 12 feet. Over 90 to 120 days, the plant matures, with the iconic sunflower head developing thousands of seeds. When the back of the flower head turns brown and the seeds are plump and loose, it signals harvest time. Large combine harvesters cut the sunflower heads and separate the seeds from the flower using integrated threshing mechanisms. Freshly harvested seeds often contain plant debris, dirt, and even stones. Industrial cleaning machines use vibrating screens and air blowers to remove these impurities. To prevent mold and spoilage, seeds are dried to reduce moisture content to below 8%. Advanced machines sort the seeds by size, color, and quality, ensuring only the best kernels move forward for all extraction. Sunflower seeds are encased in hard shells. Dehulling machines break and separate these hulls from the oil-rich kernels. Before all can be extracted, the kernels are ground into a fine paste or meal, increasing the surface area for efficient extraction. For skincare, cold pressing is ideal. It extracts oil without heat, preserving vital nutrients like vitamin E, linoleic acid, and antioxidants. For large-scale food-grade oil, mechanical pressing is followed by solvent extraction, usually using food-grade hexane to maximize yield. The hexane is then separated from the oil through evaporation and condensation, ensuring the final product is safe for consumption. Crude sunflower oil is rich but unrefined. It still contains waxes, phospholipids, free fatty acids, and pigments that must be removed. Deguming removes phospholipids by hydrating them. This step enhances clarity and extends shelf life. Neutralization involves adding sodium hydroxide to remove free fatty acids that can make the oil unstable. To lighten the oil's color and remove trace metals, activated clays or earth are used in a bleaching process. Finally, steam distillation removes any residual odors or volatile compounds. What remains is crystal clear, odorless, refined oil. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing, measuring parameters like peroxide value, acidity, and color index to ensure compliance with food and cosmetic safety standards. Cold-pressed sunflower oil retains more nutrients and has a richer texture, perfect for skincare. Refined oil, with its neutral flavor, is ideal for high-temperature cooking. For food use, sunflower oil is bottled in various volumes from 500 milliliters, kitchen bottles to 20-liter, industrial drums. For skincare, cold-pressed oil is packaged in cosmetic-grade glass bottles. Automated lines label each bottle with information on batch number, expiration date, nutritional content, or skincare use. Before shipping, the oil is stored in climate-controlled warehouses, awaiting distribution to stores, kitchens, and beauty counters worldwide. Sunflower oil is exported to over 100 countries, reaching chefs, home cooks, cosmetic labs, and skincare enthusiasts everywhere. In the kitchen, sunflower oil is prized for its high smoke point and light flavor, perfect for frying, baking, and salad dressings. In skincare, sunflower oil is loved for its soothing, hydrating properties. It helps maintain the skin's moisture barrier and fights inflammation. The leftover seed cake is rich in protein and used as livestock feed. Even the hulls can be used as biomass fuel, making this process highly sustainable. From golden fields to golden drops, sunflower oil is a gift of nature and science, whether nourishing your body or your skin. Every drop carries the story of innovation, care, and millions of blooming sunflowers.